Hey guys, welcome in Code with Money. In this video you can see that we are going to explain about the portfolio that we have created. The two portfolio, first one in a dark mode, second one is a light mode, and you can see this is the light mode portfolio, and this is totally responsive portfolio, and you can use it and you can edit it according to your requirement, and you can make this portfolio according to your requirement. And you can see that home, about, service, work, resume, blog, contact, you can mention all of things about yourself in this portfolio, and you can create this according to your requirement. I will provide the source code for this portfolio. You can see this my work, and you can explain that what you did, what you did in your resume, and what you know, the skills. So you all of things you can edit and add in your portfolio. And you can tell about your qualification, that how many clients you handle, how many companies you have worked, what is your experience, what is your educations, and everything you can mention in this the portfolio. You can see that the blog also, this is the, and you can see that in blog you can tell about yourself, and each and everything you can mention in this portfolio. And you can see that how it's looking so beautiful, and you can contact with anyone can contact with you if, and just you have to mention, and you can see that contact, if anyone want to contact with you, so they can contact with you using this form. And see how it's looking beautiful, and it's really amazing. And I will provide the source code in the description box, okay? So you can directly download this code and you can edit and you can enjoy this with this portfolio, okay? This is the dark mode portfolio. You can see that both are same, but the first one was the light mode, second one is the dark mode, okay? Both are great, looking so beautiful and looking very nice. And you can see this portfolio, and everything is fine. And instead of sending a resume to any employer, if you are applying in any company, so you can directly send this portfolio. You can edit it according to your requirement, and you can host, and whenever they want to see you about yourself, so just send this portfolio to the HR and any company, so they can be impressed. Thank you guys for watching this video.